Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Spider Guy here. Today's video is going to be a rehouse of my Poecilotheria or formosa. I am going to be moving her out of this Timu enclosure when I can grab it. Out of here. And she is going into an exoterra. So first thing I'm going to do is adjust his camera so you can see what's going on. I am trying it from a new angle now, so hopefully you may be able to see a bit better what's going on in setting it up. But it's all trial and error, so don't judge me. Right, first thing I'm going to do is, you know, I started using these cork backgrounds, which are pretty awesome. Do like these. So first thing I'm going to do is get one of them put in there. Then I'm going to get a bit of substrate in, and I'm going to pack that down a little bit just so that it'll hold that in place. Oh, because I nearly lose the enclosure. Right. Hopefully that'll hold it there. The next thing I'm going to do is put some cork bark in. Now she will have a fair bit of room behind there, which is also good. Some more substrate. So that needs to be spread out around there, back in there. Let's put some substrate at the back for her. Have a look how much is in there. Let's put plenty in there. Some more in here. Some more in there for her, which is good enough now. Shut off the top and take that little sharp piece off. Don't want that left on there. Right. That's how it's coming so far, guys. Now I'm going to get a water bowl and get that put in. So that shall go just there. Get some water put in that. Just give that a light spray in there. Okay, now to get the little spider caught up. So I was going to use my new paintbrush, but I can't seem to find it. But yeah, we'll get this little lady caught up and get her settled in. I don't know where I've put it. No. No, I'm looking for that enclosure. But I've just had that Timu one. What I've done with it. Oh, I've got it. Right in front of me. My bunker. Come on. Right guys, hopefully you might be able to see me catch her up. Now, I'm hoping that if I do it this way, she might want to come out and climb straight in. That's what I'm hoping, but we'll see. Move this webbing that she's built up around here. Oh, there she is. Oh, she's looking nice. Come on, little lady. Come on. Right, she's going to be one of these awkward ones, I think. Let's see if we can. Can you grab that, please? That enclosure. Right, there she is, guys. Just on there, on a piece of wood. Now, what I'm going to try and do is get her to go straight in, so I don't have to disturb her too much. So if you want to go there, little lady, here we go, come on in. There you go. Typical. She's gone down the back on there. So what we'll have to do is just see if we can encourage her down a bit. There you go, go on. Go on. Right. Go on. Come on. Look, right there in front of you. Alright, go on there. But, no, I'm happy. There you go, come on. There you go. There she is. Right, you go that way. Let's shoot this a bit. Right. Okay guys, if you did like our video, give her a thumbs up here. Dingling the bell up here. Don't forget to subscribe down there. Do comment. We'll answer all comments, and thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate it. Till next one, take care. Bye bye.